AUTODOCs' top new automotive products. Here are some of the most useful car accessories in AUTODOCs' online catalogue. The multimeter, every important measuring tool rolled into one. The #1 device for detecting faults. Simple, compact and reliable. Diagnose like a pro. Measure the power supply and battery voltage. Check fuses, lights and wires. The digital display makes it easy to use. Some models have an LED backlit display and a magnet for attaching it to the car. A car vacuum cleaner, essential for cleaning the interior. Make the car look spotlessly clean and feel cozy. Sleek, compact and powerful. The product includes different heads for cleaning all types of surfaces and hard-to-reach areas, a dust container, it allows you to effortlessly clean mats and the car floor, seats, the dashboard and door panels, the luggage compartment. AUTODOC app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Remember to buy a battery if it's not included. Use the turbo brush head to make your car seats look as good as new. Swap the head for the crevice tool to clean hard-to-reach areas with minimal effort. The vacuum cleaner handles all types of dry dirt. The FM transmitter, a compact device with many functions, makes every car journey fun. Simple, compact and affordable. Can't connect your smartphone to your car stereo via the aux port or Bluetooth? An FM transmitter is a cost-effective alternative to an expensive audio system. It's easier to connect than you think. If you're completely lost in the search for a better solution, get an FM transmitter and connect it to your smartphone, tablet or MP3 player. Your favorite tunes will fill your car. The device may include a display, Bluetooth for easy hands-free communication, USB ports for charging devices and connecting a flash drive, micro SD card slot,